Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You are now watching the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the easiest way possible, effortlessly. All you have to do is listen carefully and watch this video multiple times. Today's topic is, how did the United States become a superpower after World War II? At the end of World War II in 1945, the world was left in ruins. Europe was devastated. Cities had been bombed, economies collapsed, and millions of people had died. But the United States was different. It had not suffered battles on its soil, and its economy was booming. During the war, American factories produced planes, tanks, ships, and weapons, not just for the US, but for many allied countries. This massive production created jobs, boosted technology, and expanded the country's industrial capacity. After the war, the US economy was stronger than ever. Politically, the US took the lead in rebuilding the world. It launched the Marshall Plan, sending billions of dollars to help rebuild Western Europe. This didn't just show generosity. It built alliances and opened new markets for American goods. Militarily, the US was unmatched. It was the first country to develop nuclear weapons and had the largest and most advanced military in the world. The US also established permanent bases in Europe, Asia, and around the globe to maintain security and influence. Culturally, American movies, music, fashion, and ideas spread around the world. People looked to the US not just for help, but for inspiration. The US also played a leading role in creating international institutions like the United Nations, the World Bank, and NATO, shaping a new world order based on American values and interests. So, while other countries were rebuilding from the rubble, the United States emerged from World War II more powerful than ever, economically, politically, and militarily. That is how it became a global superpower. Thank you so much for staying with us until the end. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you don't miss the feedback video. It's essential for mastering English and understanding American history and culture. Like, share, and help us grow so we can keep creating better videos for you. See you in the next adventure.